If something in space is truly technological, it won't just drift silently reflecting sunlight, it will move with purpose. It will change direction, release smaller crafts, send signals, and maybe even shine with its own artificial light. For decades, scientists have debated what such a visitor might look like. That debate ended when a new object, called *3 Atlas*, entered our solar system. It became the third confirmed interstellar body ever detected, after the famous Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. At first, 3 Atlas seemed harmless, another icy traveler glowing faintly green from carbon monoxide emissions as it passed through the inner solar system. Amateur astronomers around the world tracked it as a streak of light against the stars. But what began as a scientific curiosity soon became the most shocking event in modern astronomy. An amateur astronomer named Leslie Peltier, working from northern Chile, had been observing 3 Atlas every night through a powerful telescope. For weeks, everything seemed normal, until September 19, at exactly 2 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time. His monitor suddenly displayed something impossible. Around the bright green streak of 3 Atlas, 9 new points of light appeared, perfectly arranged, moving in precise formation with the main body. They weren't camera artifacts or cosmic rays, they were real objects. Within 2 days, major observatories, including the James Webb Space Telescope, Hubble, and the Very Large Telescope, confirmed it. 3 Atlas wasn't alone. It had 9 companions. And what the data revealed next was beyond explanation. These 9 objects weren't fragments or debris, they were dense, metallic, and radiating energy. Spectral readings showed traces of nickel, cobalt, and exotic alloys that shouldn't exist in natural comets. Each of the smaller objects emitted around ***20 gigawatts** of power, enough to supply several major cities. Even more puzzling, the main body of 3 Atlas itself gave off a controlled thermal signature, suggesting a consistent internal energy source. No known natural process could explain it. Fusion reactors that powerful would tear themselves apart at such a small scale. Some physicists proposed wild theories, antimatter reactions, dark matter catalysis, or fusion-fission hybrids, but every simulation failed. The energy readings were too clean, too stable, too deliberate. Then came the most mysterious discovery of all. The 9 smaller bodies didn't drift away or split off gradually, they appeared instantly. In less than 1 millisecond, they blinked into existence, moving in perfect sync with 3 Atlas. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb proposed what he called the mothership hypothesis that 3 Atlas was a massive interstellar craft deploying smaller probes as it entered the solar system. He pointed out that their sudden appearance, identical energy signatures, and coordinated motion all suggested deliberate release, not natural breakup. Skeptics argued for natural explanations, perhaps a violent collision. But no known rock could split into 9 identical, energy-emitting fragments. And then, just as the world tried to make sense of 3 Atlas, another massive interstellar object appeared, *Swan R2*, far larger and brighter. Its arrival was eerily timed to coincide with Atlas's passage near the Sun. Historical records from Babylon, China, and medieval Europe describe similar green comets appearing every 2,200 years, each one said to herald great change. If that cycle is real, Swan R2 has been here before, and humanity has always survived. Now, governments are paying attention. Leaked documents hint at emergency coordination between space agencies. China's Long March program, the European Space Agency, and NASA have all begun preparing quiet contingency plans. But official channels remain silent. No one is explaining what's really happening, and that silence has only deepened public fear. Today, anyone with a telescope can see it, faint green tails before dawn, 9 companions orbiting their glowing leader. This is not rumor or conspiracy, it's recorded data from the most advanced instruments humanity has ever built. In a few weeks, both interstellar visitors will swing around the Sun. When they do, anything could happen. They might break formation, drift harmlessly into deep space, or do something no one expects. For now, all we can do is watch and wonder. Are these probes simple observers, ancient machines passing by, or something far more complex, the first step in contact? As one astronomer said, the universe has knocked on our door. The question is, will we open it, or pretend